Hello, hello. Welcome back. More Resident Evil 5. I read it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, let's not have any ammo. Let's go. I'm ready.
Ready to Freddy. Ready to loading. We're
This ship
here.
is huge.
Yep.
Do you think they're planning to use it to spread real burrows?
No. Using a ship like this would
Or
give away their
shotguns.
position too soon. They must have another plan.
Yeah, I think they're just cruising.
Yeah, dude, they're just having a good time. Oh my god.
Retard. Take that. Pointed at me. It's rude. Oh my god. I didn't see that guy come back down on the stairs, by the way. I think he just left. There he goes.
There goes. On the stairs.
I'll get him. Stab him. Oh, that was scary.
You don't want to take it,
Yeah.
buddy. I was gonna say.
Get him. Yeah, just lay down. I'm coming for you all the way up there. When I can get you.
Hey, you do that.
He just evaporated. Yeah, I probably should have brought the rifle because there's a long-range shooting here. Whatever. Now I'm Bobo the Fool.
Yes.
Yeah, get you some goodies.
Get my handgun back up. Who did that?
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
I just had just regular explosive rounds. I thought I put flash there. Fuck.
Hey, why are you coming at me? Oh,
No.
take it easy.
Shoot him in the dick a bunch of times.
Dude, I'm tasing him in the penis, yeah. There's handgun ammo for you.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh my god. Let me shoot the damn dude. Good, buddy.
Are you dead? Yeah, you are. Give us your jewelry.
Should have finished the
shotgun
job.
shells.
Did.
Why'd he turn around like, where are they?
Yeah, where did they go? There's a redder behind me, but I'm not fixing that up right now.
Yeah, our luck, there's gonna be a green down here.
I already have a green and red combo, but I'm not fucking filling out another space because they're forcing me to use 3 weapons, so no.
That's true. What's over here? A box. Another redder.
Okay, it has the acid in it. That's what that is. Down here.
I
Alright.
guess I'm gonna hit this button.
Alright. Go.
Stuff.
Another button. Key card.
Dollars. Yeah, you go first.
And we'll all do this together.
Oh, I moved one of these by myself when the liquor's chasing me. Why do we need 2 people now?
Because this one's bolted down.
The bolt stretched, didn't they?
Yeah. Oh, I was in the middle of cutting.
Me.
No, you're a caged animal. Ow.
Sorry, there was money in here.
Sounds like a grenade. Sounds like multiple grenades.
Oh.
Fuck.
Now he's gonna turn into that.
Yep,
Yeah.
if I use this, the acid round gun at him. I mean, it's corroding him, it looks like. And if that's an instant kill, I need to stay away from that.
If you could like shove a grenade in his mouth.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend going near that. Alright, I found the crane key card.
You did it.
Now let me hand it to you. Now we open it.
Yeah.
Alright, what am I doing here? Oh, yeah, I gotta go here.
I could just crawl through these, by the way.
Probably. I probably need a shit
Sheva's
button.
thin enough.
Yep. Up here. Off I go. On my adventure.
Go killing again.
Guy's alive and couldn't be.
Dog.
Sounds like a grenade up there. It better go off. Alright, good. Hand the camera down to you so I can see you down there. That's where they're going. I mean, we're trying. Having some rough
You
patches.
can't hit me when I can't defend myself. Fuck you. God.
Alright, that guy has been killed. I should be able to get you out now.
Well, hang on a second. There's a zombie node.
Well, it's coming. Sorry.
Ah, he's
There
gonna
he
get.
is.
Yep. Well, I'm not allowed to do that.
I'm in a cutscene still. It won't let me do anything. I'm still in a cutscene. I can't do
That's why I
anything.
said, come on.
I was already doing it when you said hang on. It was already activated the cutscene. I was unaccessible to play for the past 30 seconds.
Man, we should have played better. You need a better chair.
Fucking ridiculous, dude. Okay, I'm ready.
Me too. Alright, now we'll just be extra careful.
Yeah.
Now that we know we're gonna have a solid 45 seconds of not allowed to play.
Yeah. Like, I pressed the button when you said, don't hit me in here when I can't defend myself. That's how long it was.
Oh my god.
Oh, this grenade launcher has a missing texture on the bottom of it, I think.
Oh, I see that, yep.
Okay.
Alright. You go get caught in a box again. I'm just glad my feet weren't like under that or something.
I know, they could have got your toes. That wouldn't have been bad. Behind me, I know he is. I'm trying to kill the two in front of me. Son of a bitch. It's good I just take a free hit each time. I think none of those grenades went off. Oh, well. Alright, now let's see. Does this work? It does. I wasn't sure since he was, like, you know, covered up.
Yeah. Well, now we know that the squiggly ones just get killed by the electricity.
The bugs are electricity, liquors are acid. Anything like normal is flashing as well. Like
Alright. I'm gonna have regular dogs, and then I'm gonna have 2 spooky mouth dogs.
that was a lot of bullets that guys need for him. He never cares. I'll shoot you in the dick until you die. How's Mecha Chameleon going, Rhodes? Did you start doing that yet? I know you asked about it earlier, so. Okay, I'm looking down there. I see you. Okay.
I do
I'm not doing it yet. I'm not doing it yet. I'm going up here to kill the guy that's blocking him up. Alright, he is dead.
Okay, that was 2 big mouth dogs. Is there a third?
I don't see anything down there.
Don't think so.
Okay, open it up now.
There's handgun ammo there for you. There's another one with
I don't know how
shotgun
long it's gonna be
shells.
till I come down there.
We'll be here for you.
I might not be because it despawns eventually. So.
Okay, I'll grab it. We can share.
Heading down there right now. I'm trying. Made it.
There's that. There's that. Here's these. Yeah, why don't I give you the whole stack?
Because it's stupid. I mean, I guess so you could share ammo without having to use the entire fucking stack. So, you know,
Well,
it
if
is,
I went to give
50
you
pistol
handgun
bullets.
ammo right now, I'd give you all 38 I got. I have 2 health items. I don't need that. Box. Dollars. There's more boxes over there.
Yeah, but there's a treasure vault thingy over here, so.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah,
Bunch
get
of
that
armored
guy.
face things. Can't do anything about them until they come out of there. Let's go here, fuck this. Gold bars!
Just put that in your
$3,000.
pocket.
Alright, I got him in the ankle. Damn, more of them is spawning in there. Okay, you know what? Do it again. Fucking do it again. Come on, do it again. Oh, there we go.
Oh my god.
There we go. Alright. That's over.
We did it. We're winners. They don't get chicken dinner ever again. Because they're dead.
God. Handgun. Money.
Oh, 2 big dudes.
Damn.
Oh, that's unfortunate. He's
Oh,
dead.
that's killed him, yeah.
Oh, congratulations! You're gonna get bullied.
Dead.
Yeah, get his jewelry.
Yeah, take it. I guess family heirloom, it's ours now. Pretty sure this is one of these situations, and then I shoot that, and you shoot the other one over here.
Oh, I missed. Dollars.
Gun. There's stuff right here, but I don't want to drop down that.
More dollars. I'm jumping down. Oh, dogs.
Dog! Try to get me. Miss. It slicked off all the baby oil on my skin. Flash grenade! Oh no.
That one took 2.
Okay, so the flash grenade does work instantly for the ones that split open, like the dual-headed dogs.
Okay. I see 2 boxes.
There's another one.
Behind you.
Oh my, damn! How many are in there, dude? It's like a fucking clown car. It's like 6. You guys spawn some more?
There's handgun ammo there for you.
Jesus Christ.
Right here.
Oh, busy dealing with fucking
I
silent
don't know
hill
if
dogs.
this is the way to go or the way I came from. This
I
looks like
imagine
a
this
door.
is the way to go.
Okay, well, let me go explore over here then.
Okay. Not gonna miss it. I mean, no, of course not.
Great!
You
Wow,
attacked.
that was almost instant death. Hop up here so I can shoot you. I know you can. You're not gonna bait me into going down there.
Oh, yeah, I see it. I know what to do. Hold on. Don't waste that ammo. There you go. And he melts.
Into nothing. Well, good news. Okay, there's a path back here. Oh shit. 3 more gold.
Hell yeah, dude. That's $3,000 more dollars. All right.
Yeah, I wonder how much that 3 gold bars would be worth in real money.
I don't know. Probably 3,000.
It's gonna be more than that. I thought gold
I
by
didn't
the
say
ounce was
dollars.
about 2.
I just said 3,000.
Yeah, but 3,000 what's?
Yeah, I said 3,000. That's what it's worth.
Flats of 3,000?
Yeah, the whole entree.
Yeah. I like the music from that show.
Machine gun ammo.
Means there's gonna be motherfuckers in here.
Shotgun.
Oh yeah, I have 2 grenades.
Alright, there you go. You can have that for 3 then.
Oh yeah, 3 for. How much handgun? Yeah, you need that more than I do. You can have both.
Fourth is fucking 5. Oh. Just land on top of you and crush you.
Yeah.
This tanker is so big. It won't be easy finding Wesker.
Yeah, it's almost like it's just a fucking building essentially
Once
now.
he knows we're here, he'll find out.
And that's a, no, Resident Evil game is never complete without it being on an
Let's just
island
say
or a
we have
boat.
history together. And he's
Yeah,
not the
it's
type
the
to let
rules.
grudges go.
Yeah, he remembers that one time I laughed at him.
It goes a
Told me to
bit
stop
beyond
it. I
just
call him a
pissing
nerd. Give him a wedgie.
So, are you going to tell me what happened?
Oh, there you go. You can
Maybe.
have that.
The other
But not
shotgun
until
is the
after we
striker.
put an end to all this. Deal?
Okay, but I'm holding you to that.
Dollars. There's handgun ammo there for you.
Alright.
You did it.
Yeah, I don't think the other shotgun's gonna be better than my Ithaca right now, though. I think I just need to keep using it at the moment.
Hurry up!
It doesn't put all them points in it.
Freeze!
There she is.
What's going on here?
Shoot her in the knee, come on!
Nothing that concerns either of you.
We're not giving you an option. Now spit it out. Tell us what we want to know and you won't get hurt. Where's Wesker?
She's reaching. Get her.
If you can behave yourselves, maybe I'll tell you.
Oh, there she goes. Trained marksman.
Damn it!
Yep.
She's tough. I'll give her
The
that.
door's closed. We'll never get through it.
Dude, I headshotted a dude on a fucking rotating disc elevator going around at fucking
Chris, is this-
Boo House
Whatever,
merry-go-round
Excella
speeds
seemed protective
and
of
got
us.
him on the first shot when he was on that lever down there, about 50 feet away from me. And you guys
Yeah, dude.
can't hit that bitch 10 feet away from you.
Yeah, I shot a fucking grenade out of the air like a fucking shooting gallery trick.
Yeah, I do that a lot. Investigate.
Hey, rifle
SWAT.
ammo.
A lot of rifle ammo. Yeah, more rifle ammo over there too.
Read document. Oh, never mind. I turned on a TV. That's even better. Get out of the way! That was immediately just the back of your fucking head and nothing else. Trying to watch TV.
Oh look, dudes.
Yeah.
Look at that! I shot him. One shot.
Yeah, what
I
happened?
took.
I want to make like an Arkham Asylum game where it's that kind of sneaky, but you get to do shit like this. Just immediately, it's just like, Jimmy, what happened? Are you okay?
It's 3 shots, 3 kills. Look at that. Crazy how that works.
Yeah, but we're not in a cutscene.
Oh, I was about to shoot
Now
that guy, and I think he got in his eyesight.
I was hiding behind a wall.
Here it comes.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, don't worry, I
Like
got it.
2 shots.
Ow. What?
That? Yeah, it's just not. Okay, I can't shoot that guy from here. I'm not allowed to. It's illegal. You get him.
I can't get that either. I'm left-handed, remember? There we
Got
go.
him. Gotta come over here.
I think there's another guy, too. Yeah, there is. Dude, look at him run. He's got shit in his ass. He's in a hurry.
Hey, dude, he's gonna go wipe it out. Bet you that son of a bitch wiped from back to front.
Ugh. I bet he doesn't even wipe when he pees.
Oh, look, grenades.
Oh, that's cute. Now, we just came from there. Where did you come from?
Yeah, that door was locked up there. They said so. Woo!
There we go. It was only the 3rd time I hit him in the chest.
Yeah, you're gonna fucking dance, like.
Oh,
Oh, you
I
died.
just for real. What happened?
Oh, you're dead.
Damn, that's what happened. You're right. I'm ready.
Alright.
We're back. Everything's fine.
Yeah, it was just a bad dream.
Rifle ammo. Oh, you're not gonna turn on the computer?
I already did. Turns on individually.
Damn, we get our own TVs?
I'm just gonna.
That's not a real. Oh, thanks. Just for you. Here, I'll stand right here with you. I think it's just once we get far enough, yeah.
I was gonna say, 'cause we didn't even get that far last. Well, I think you went further than this last time. Might be a time thing, man. I'm just being in this room.
It could be just when you kill those guys.
Man, they are upset about something. I don't know what it is, though.
What is that? Stop it.
That's what I brought that for.
That guy was just waiting his turn down there, really polite.
Okay. Actually, you know what? You drop down first, so I summon some of those guys, and I'm gonna go get rid of those guys that threw grenades up here.
Good idea. Oh, I'm down here. Oh no.
Yep, there they are. Already tossing grenades up here. This is bad, actually. They're driving my feet. They actually just blew themselves up. I didn't even shoot a bullet. All right. Coming down. I did it. I killed them. Me. Oh, that's close. We know those grenades mean it.
Okay, that's great and all, but they're here to defend themselves. Like,
Shoot the damn thing! Oh my god.
you have to give him his chance. This is why I hate being left-handed.
Alright, I'm making him dance. There we go, he died.
Oh, there's a guy right there I can't hit.
Yep.
Oh, it sounded like somebody swiggled.
It was, their head was moving.
Was it you?
The
Oh,
guy's
shotgun
coming
ammo
up the
over
stairs.
there. Fall back down. Whoa!
Mess.
Hey, you take that. Halt, I think I just hit a guy coming up.
Yeah, it's alright, I hit him too.
I'm a brave boy.
That is not where that crosshair is, but alright. I'm just coming down here. Let's go.
I think you have shoulder advantage, you do that. Yeah, because if I lean out on that wall, I don't start forward either. I just start looking all the way to the left, and I have to move.
You should have
tried
done
to
that.
jump. There you.
Uh-oh.
Ow.
God damn it, I'm trying to swap the gun, get swap to it, and gotta ready the fucking gun. Get to swap to it and blind fire from the hip.
Why is it if it's more than 2 inches in front of me, I can't hit him? Hold on, I got a green.
I'd say I got a green as well, but you can combine
I'll
these
use
and use
mine.
yours because you got more inventory space taken up. How you doing this? South. Anybody else want a jump scare? Did it work?
Congratulations.
Here's your prize.
Here's your prize. Yeah, turn into stuff.
Yeah, you're the winner.
Checkpoint. Oh, there was a mine over there. Hey, look at rotten egg. Stay down.
Money. Okay. Oh shit, it's a little JJ.
You're killing people like 3 floors up. Stop it.
Oh, it didn't reach shit. Hit the stair like directly under his foot.
I got him. Again.
Cross that off.
Oh, I shot your grenade with my grenade. You're a loser. You know what? This is probably a good time for this.
Oh, he
are
felt
you
that
dead?
when he started crying about it. Nah, he's just like, ow, my face! I was gonna say, I was gonna let him go forward a little bit more next to that explosive thing right there. There we go.
Yeah, get him.
Oh yeah, I went through him, dude. I fucking final fighted him. Jesus.
If you want to fall down.
Ow! Shit. Well, it's alright.
Yeah.
He hit me and died for it.
Did he use the rest of his strength for that? Did he drop jewelry or was it just the key
It was the
card?
key card.
Yeah, that sucks. I'll take
Yeah,
that.
let's see. Yeah, because I got a green right here. I'll use that.
Thanks.
Or we go straight up there. I know there's treasure over here.
Handgun ammo for you.
It's up here, it's up here, and then here is our treasure. It is a card. Key card B. That wasn't even treasure. That was just fucking necessary.
I mean, I guess it's precious to someone. Here, take that handgun ammo and I'm gonna give you what I have in reserve. Just not what's in my gun. There you go.
55. 55.
Yeah, I can't drive.
Was there an item
Why?
up there? There's
I
another
didn't go
herb.
up here yet. I was waiting on you.
There's another herb, so you can grab that. I think that's all of it.
We did it. We're winners.
Come on!
Hurry!
Oh. No, that'll definitely not cause problems if you get inside of the ship.
Weren't we just standing right there? Woohoo! Okay.
I'm still working that guy down. I'm shooting him in the ass over and over again. Now for the other one. Oh, he's a fucking. Oh, but he has an helmet.
Bet he's gonna get another shot off.
Give me your gold. Your hand grenades.
Yeah. Give me your
Alright.
smoke.
That was it.
We did it.
Dead Bride's necklace.
Oh, that guy was a bride?
I guess so. Good for him. Dead Bride's necklace. A lot of,
Were they married
a lot
to
of
each other?
widows.
Third one. Can we get Dead Bride the fourth?
Yeah. Where's the
Nothing
dead
was down
groom's
here.
ring?
Don't be intolerant.
Let's go. Price
Get the baby.
Oh,
Yeah, beat up. Bird up, as a matter of fact.
Oz. Just,
So, you've made it this far.
Who are you talking to?
Too
She's
bad
just,
you
like,
won't
looking
make
at
it
her
much
nails.
further.
how long do you think this elevator's gonna take?
Why is there no music?
A new superior breed of humans, given birth by the progenitor virus.
Why is that just plugged into his head?
The Wesker children were entrusted with endless potential. Of them, only one survived. You.
Are you saying I was manufactured?
I was to become a god,
There is also another Wesker child that just like,
creating a new world with an
We'll talk about it later.
advanced race of human beings.
I mean, we're probably not gonna play it. It's from Revelations 2.
Oh.
Wesker's sister.
All was lost.
I mean, if you want to, we can.
That one is definitely a lot
Despite that
skittier to
setback,
play multiplayer because one
Your
person doesn't even get a
creation
gun
Still holds great
each time.
significance.
Remember, it's the team mechanics where it's Claire has the gun and
Now
then
my
Moira
candle
refuses to
burns
shoot, so she has a flashlight and a crowbar.
Ironic.
And then when you're playing as
Isn't
Barry,
it?
the little girl is a little girl,
Has the right
so
to
she throws
be
bricks
a
and stuff to like
god,
distract things.
to face his own mortality. The
to be a god.
The penetration!
Yeah.
It's so hot!
Is now mine.
Just... How could you do that? He's such a good guy.
Yeah. You pulled that plug on his head.
God. You. Arrogant even until the end.
Yeah, this is the kind of guy they try to give a redeeming thing
The
to.
one truly capable of being a god deserves that right. The right. With
And to the left.
I have
Crisscross.
that right.
Applesauce. Everybody clap your hands. 30 minutes exactly.
Yeah, on the money.
Alright, it's another episode down then. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.